How to turn on contactless payments NFC on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings, then go to connections. The process is very simple. You will get this option right over here. So simply enable this and then go to contactless payment, and now you will be able to make contactless payments from your Samsung phone or any Android phone that has NFC and contactless payment feature. Remember, this feature is not available in every device. This is the latest feature and is available in the latest versions of Android. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.